Hello friends, today we will learn how to exit stocks which are hitting lower circuit and you are unable to get out. So right now, as you are aware that the Adani stocks are hitting lower circuit and it is getting very difficult for us to get out. So I hold some of these stocks through small case, but you cannot exit through small case because the orders go after 9:15 and after that circuit has already been hit. So the idea is to get into the pre-market which starts from 9 to 9:07 so that your orders can be placed there. The idea is to place an AMO order. AMO is aftermarket order so that it can be placed before 9 a.m. and it can hit the pre-market. So this is a chart of ATGL or Adani Total Gas, and as you can see it is being hitting lower circuits for the last few days. So let's try to sell this. So when I try to sell this, you see a Zerodha nudge comes here which says this is a trade to trade category stock. You will only be able to sell stocks that are already settled in your demat account, which basically means if you've purchased this a day back, then you can't sell it, and you can't sell and buy the same day as well. So now I am holding let's say 28 stocks of ATGL. Now I want to sell these. So the best way would be to put an AMO order, long-term CNC, and a market order, which basically tells them that whenever the price opens, you sell the 28 shares at whatever price the market has to offer. So let's try to sell this and see what happens. So as you can see from the pop-up on the right, the market orders are blocked for ATGL. Try placing a limit or stop loss order, right? So which means that a market order cannot be placed. So the next best bet is to place a limit order. So once you place a limit order, it will ask you at what price you want to sell. So let's go and see the information about ATGL. Since it is hitting lower circuits every day, we know that today's lower circuit is 1258.45. The closing price was 1324.65. So what we'll do here, we'll try to put a price of the lower circuit. So I put 1258.45. So what I'm trying to tell the market is that you sell these 28 shares at the lower circuit price, and if the price is higher, then it will sell at the higher price, right? So this order will go through. So you see now the order has gone through. Let's look in the order book. So if I look in the order book, the order has gone through for ATGL, and if I see the information about this, this is what it looks like. So I hope you have understood what we are trying to say. Now let's see another stock of Adani Transmission. Again, it's hitting lower circuits every day. So now we want to sell this, right? So this is the information about the stock. I press the sell. We place an AMO order, long term. Let's see if it will take a market order or not. If I try to take a market order, it says again that the market orders are blocked and we need to place a limit or stop loss order, right? So we need to place a limit order. Now we need to specify a price. What price should we specify? So let's say you are again willing to sell at the lowest circuit. What is the price of the lowest circuit? So this is the 5% lower price at the circuit, 1240.15, which you see here. So I'm going to place 1240.15 as the price. What this tells the market is that you place a order for selling at the lower circuit of 5%, which does not actually mean that it will sell at 5% lower. If the price opens higher, it will sell higher. But if it opens at the lower circuit, then it will try to sell at the lower circuit if buyers are available. So now when we press sell, this order will go through, and you see the order has gone through. Let us look in our order book. So you see the order has gone through and the AMO order has been received. If you are lucky and if there are enough buyers, then this order will go through. So I hope you learned how to place orders at lower circuit. Do like and subscribe to our channel.